finger diffusing. I'm going to start by scrunching volumizing foam into the roots of clean towel-dried hair. And now to define the curl and to reduce frizz, I blended CURVY cream and calming cream, and I want to work that into the mid shafts and the ends of the hair. Holding the hair secure with my hand, I'm going to spread my fingers wide and direct the airflow into the hair between my fingers. The high heat and low power will keep the hair from blowing around too much and causing your curls to get too frizzy. I'm going to quickly dry the hair, keeping the curl intact, soft, full, and beautiful. I'm going to work around the head, continuing this technique until the hair is 90% dry. I will then style as desired and finish my look with a little Loma finishing hairspray.